Hey everyone, my name's Christine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a simple everyday makeup tutorial. Disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist, so I have no idea what I'm doing most of the time, but let's get started. So I'm just gonna start off with some Burt's Bees lip balm because my lips are very chapped. You can use any lip balm to keep yourself moisturized, but I personally like Burt's Bees and I stole this from my boyfriend, so yeah. Alright, next up we are going to do foundation. I don't really wear foundation, so what I do use is MAC Studio Fix powder as my foundation base. But yeah, it's just to keep my oils at bay and to keep my skin tone looking more even. But you can use whatever foundation you like. I just prefer powder. So I'm just gonna apply this powder all over my face and hope for the best. Next up we are going to contour. I am using the Sweet Peach Glow contour palette by Too Faced. It comes with highlighter, blush, and bronzer, so yeah. Oh, sorry. So I'm just gonna take this and apply it to the hollows of my cheeks after smelling the palette because it smells really good. But yeah, I'm gonna take it and apply it to the hollows of my cheeks and to the temples of my forehead. Next, I'm going to be using the small contour brush to contour my nose. And yeah, we're just going to use the same palette and just contour away. Make our nose look small and cute. Going back to the palette, we are going to take the blush this time and apply it onto the apples of our cheeks. Next, I'm going to use the Instant Lift Brow Pencil by e.l.f. and we are going to fill in our eyebrows with that. I don't have a particular way that I fill in my eyebrows, I just follow the shape of my eyebrows. And just so you know, my eyebrows are uneven, so yeah, one's gonna be a little bit higher than the other and I'm sorry about that, but you know, genetics. Next, I'm going to take Double Exposure by Smashbox, and I'm going to take the black color in that palette and use it as my eyeliner. I'm just taking a wet angled eyeliner brush and using that as my applicator. I don't have a particular way of lining my eyeliner, it's just I use the end of my eyebrows as the guideline to where my wing should start. Alright, taking Morphe's highlighter brush, I am going to do my favorite part and apply highlighter using the same palette I've been using. I'm just going to apply it to my cheekbones, to my brow bone, and to my nose. Next, I'm going to be using Duo's eyelash glue to apply my fake eyelashes. I'm really bad at applying falsies, but my main tip to applying them is to wait until the glue is slightly dry but not too dry so it's tacky and you can just stick them on, like so. Next, I'm going to be taking Chuni Water Lip Tint Balm in the color Raspberry, and I'm just going to apply that to my lips. Alright, so the look is done, I guess. Yeah, so you can finish off with some setting spray, but I chose not to here because I'm just gonna stay home, so yeah. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. If not, I don't care. It's up to you. But yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.